We talked about how quickly frostbite, hypothermia, these kind of scenarios can play out in a matter of minutes. And something that she kind of brought to my attention was the difference in this storm system that we might see coming off the coast in areas like the Outer Banks where I will be throughout much of the weekend. And she said with, winds that can get up to 50, 60 miles an hour, conditions like that, if you aren't prepared out there, things can turn quickly.
Have fun, but be safe. Even though I think our emergency management folks would probably all be like, we prefer you to be inside.
Look,
and that's really what it is. Like we prefer you to be indoors.
We're not out here telling people to not have fun or enjoy the snow, but maybe you have those sit-down conversations before your kids go out to play, things like that, and say, hey, things can turn in a matter of seconds. Can just make sure that you're being careful with what you're doing. And I think that can go a long way to preventing some things from happening.
You got to wear the right clothes. This is one of those scenarios.
Not shorts.
Not shorts. Wear the proper clothing. Your gloves. If you absolutely have to go outside, you want to make sure that you have on the appropriate layers.
Yeah, I even stopped by and interviewed a store manager at a sporting goods store over in Virginia Beach, and he said, he works there, and he realized he didn't have the right jacket this morning, so he bought it from the store he works at. But they said that their numbers, they've seen double, triple the customers coming in to get that last minute, beanie or jacket or boots or whatever they might be missing from the closet.